Are you not receiving your Tesco Bank access code? Here's what's likely happening and how to fix it. The most common cause is related to SMS short code delivery problems. Tesco Bank, like many financial institutions, uses short code SMS, typically 5 6-digit numbers like 70,000, for sending access codes for two-factor authentication. Mobile carriers, in an effort to combat spam and fraud, have increasingly aggressive filters that can mistakenly block these short codes. To resolve this, first, ensure that short code SMS are enabled in your phone's settings. Then contact your mobile provider, BT Mobile, Vodafone 3, etc., and ask them to unblock Tesco Bank's short code. A temporary workaround is to switch to Tesco Bank's app-based authentication, which bypasses SMS entirely. Do not attempt to forward Tesco Bank codes through apps like Signal, as this can cause incompatibilities and trigger additional security flags, potentially locking your account. Be aware that intermittent regional disruptions, particularly in areas with weaker signal or overloaded networks, can also cause SMS delays. If the issue persists, contact Tesco Bank customer support directly. The long-term reliability of SMS for two-factor authentication is declining. Banks like Tesco are actively shifting towards more secure methods. SMS is becoming outdated as it is susceptible to interception. Tesco Bank is encouraging users to adopt app-based authentication or explore options like hardware tokens. A key trend is the move toward passwordless authentication, such as FIDO2 standards or biometric integration. While SMS might remain as a hybrid solution for rural or low-signal areas, the future points towards more robust security measures. Stay informed about these changes and ensure your Tesco Bank app is up to date. By transitioning to app-based authentication and other modern security methods, you'll ensure more reliable access to your bank account while also boosting its security.